Hey everyone, the 64 International Rat Rod build for 2021. I've already done the first fire today. I know it's a really crap video, sorry it's late, I've been getting things done. You're going to see first drive. Not that it's very good, but not a very good video, I mean. Alright, she did fire before. Give him a bit of gas. There she goes. Alright. I think we've got reversed, my forklift's in the way. Well, there we go. First drive. Gotta move her around, get her in the car park. Hopefully she can stay safe. Alright, let's stop it and turn it around. We're off. We're just going on the footpath. Ready to get her in the car park. Whey, we even got another gear. Clutch is working good. Trying to push me luck, keep it nice and gentle, nice and slow.